Hi, today in front of me TCL 408 and I'll show you how to turn off Google Assistant option on this device. So first we should launch the Google application. By this way, just find the Google folder, open the Google app and tap on the right upper corner. Now go to the settings and tap the Google Assistant section. After that, scroll all the way down to the general options. And now you'll see here Google Assistant switcher. Just tap on the switcher to turn off this option and confirm your action by tap to turn off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.